Welcome to Drawing and Sketching for Designers. In this course, you will learn how to draw effectively and communicate visually. Drawing can help with the brainstorming process, but it can also be part of the design process itself. For many years, designers used drawing as part of the process of illustration, logo design, and other types of design. As photography became more popular at publications in the mid-20th century, and as computers became more common and eventually ubiquitous in the latter part of the 20th century, many designers producing work for a print and later digital context stopped using drawing as part of the design process. However, many designers continued to use drawing as part of their workflow, and prominent art schools still teach drawing as part of the design process today. For example, drawing can help with sketching ideas for logos well before we transfer the idea to a digital illustration program, regardless of whether we draw the final logo on paper, a tablet, or on a computer. Designers can draw product ideas or concepts for storefront signage by portraying them in a perceived three-dimensional space, even when drawing on the two-dimensional format of paper. In this course, you will learn how to use effective line work and mark making, structural drawing, product sketching, appropriate shading in a light source, composition, realistic perspective, and much more to draw a variety of projects. First, we will review what the materials are for this course. It's okay if you only have a pencil, paper, and a pencil sharpener. However, if you want to follow along exactly with the instructor, you will also need some vine and compressed charcoal, Conte, and a variety of erasing and pencil sharpening tools as described in the first section and the Drawing for Designers book. Of course, you will also need paper, but be sure to check the videos on materials as well as the Drawing for Designers book for more information. Be sure to review the Drawing for Designers book and the videos to review what the pencil ratings mean. After the materials are reviewed, you will follow along in helpful practice activities focused on various mark-making techniques. These techniques provide a strong foundation for later projects, whether we are looking to draw various lines or wanting to add shading with hatching or cross-hatching, or aiming to apply a variety of other marks. We will explore the process of producing thin and thick marks, marks with organic forms versus manufactured angles, implied lines, patterns, textures, and much, much more. The instructor also goes over mark making with compressed and vine charcoal during this series of helpful practice activities. Next, we will use the quick and loose method of gesture drawing to draw various practice projects, including organic and manufactured objects. Gesture drawing can help us communicate what we consider the essence, form, motion, and gesture of a subject or scene. Then you will learn various drawing methods to produce basic shapes, which can then be used to draw more complicated shapes and drawings. After learning these fundamental shape concepts, you will learn how to draw fundamental forms in the structural drawing section. You will draw a sphere and a cone, learn two methods to draw a cube, and draw various cylinders and cylinder-based objects. Next, you will apply what you learn in terms of drawing shapes and forms to draw various structure-based products, including a sphere-based tennis ball, a cone-based funnel, a cylinder-based makeup container, and a cube-based video game console. Then we go over value and add a light source and shadows to the sphere, cone, cylinder, and cube in order to add more form and depth to a drawing. You will learn standard terminology that helps you understand how light and shadows function in the subject and in the drawings. Next, you will learn about composition, including the rule of thirds, focal point, scale, overlapping elements, formal and informal subdivision, and much, much more, including various logo design exercises to apply symmetry, asymmetry, radial symmetry, and rotational symmetry. These types of composition can be applied in various drawings, design projects, and in photos. Next, students use what they learned earlier in terms of line work, mark making, structural drawing, and value to draw product sketches, including a still life of an olive oil bottle with a banana and a drawing of a power drill. These products are not based on one fundamental form, but are composed of various forms combined together. Then you will learn the fundamentals of drawing the face and the head in the context of a portrait. In some drawings or design projects, you might need to draw people, and many people struggle with this. This section will be helpful for those wanting to learn how to draw the face and head more accurately. Finally, you will learn how to draw in one-point perspective in order to draw various cubes, a sideways cylinder, and an interior room in perspective. Drawing in perspective allows designers and artists to portray scenes in a more realistic manner. All of the photos to use for reference are included within this course, and the Drawing for Designers PDF book is also included as a downloadable file. Thanks for enrolling in this course. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Simon, and in this course, I'm going to teach you how to draw.
Would you like to learn how to draw more effectively in order to produce beautiful and interesting drawings as well as functional and aesthetically pleasing designs? Maybe you are a graphic designer who wants to add the drawing process to your workflow. Whether you are working on logos, editorial layouts, or digital productions such as websites or app designs. Maybe you are not a designer but want to communicate more effectively in visual form. Drawing is a skill that can be used in many different careers and not just design. For example, the various types of composition included in this course, including the rule of thirds, formal and informal subdivision, focal point, rotational symmetry, and the many other types of composition can be applied in drawings, but also designs and even photography. Drawing as part of the design process is something taught at prominent art schools, and it is used at various prestigious design agencies to this day. Drawing can be used as part of the brainstorming stage, the sketching stage, and even later parts of the design process. In this course, you will learn how to apply effective mark-making techniques, gesture drawing, value with shading and lighting, effective methods for drawing various shapes and forms, structural drawing, product sketching, the fundamentals of drawing the head and the face, drawing in perspective, and much more. By the time you have completed this course, you will have produced various drawings and designs that you could add to your portfolio. When you improve your drawing skills, you open the door to many more design possibilities. Producing beautiful drawings and interesting designs can be fun, but it can also be financially rewarding when you use it during your career or as part of freelance design work. This course comes with over 10 hours of helpful video demonstrations, from structural drawings to product sketches, to applying many different types of composition and drawings and logo designs to many other types of drawings. The Drawing for Designers PDF book is also included with enrollment, which has 108 pages of content, including historical background and further explanation of some of the drawing methods, worksheet pages to print out or draw, support file photos, and additional exercises. You also get access to all the photo reference support files and access to our critique forum and community in the Drawing for Designers Facebook group after enrollment. Once you enroll, you have lifetime access so you can complete the course at your own pace as you improve your drawing and sketching skills. Please check out the other free sample videos on this course landing page for more information.
I'm Jonathan, a professional artist and educator. I've been teaching students how to draw for many years now. As a university professor of drawing and painting, I've had a lifetime career in art, from graphic design to illustration to digital illustration. Before becoming a full-time artist, commercially my work and illustrations have been published on various magazine covers, advertisements, and commissioned for various companies. Some of my art has been featured in prominent galleries throughout the United States. In this course, my professional experience and education will provide you with expert guidance as you improve your drawing skills. My goal is to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to produce amazing drawings. Jump on in the course and start drawing today. Get feedback from me and your peers as you build your skills and your portfolio. I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied, you can get a refund. But I know you'll love this course as you start to produce beautiful drawings. So don't wait. Join today, and I'll see you in this course.